A lot of people don't know that you can upload a video to your Google My Business account, now known as the Google Business Profile. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm also going to show you the specifications you need to be concerned with. I'm going to show you how to do it on a computer and on a smartphone. Let's get started right now. So we're at my computer right now and I'm on Google. Notice that I have logged into my Gmail account, the one that I originally set up my Google My Business account with. So all I'm going to do is search for my business, Big West Marketing. And now since I'm logged in, I'm going to have all these extra little options over here. You're going to see different things that I can edit that used to be in the dashboard but is now on the search screen. So what I want to do is click on Add Photo. You're going to have this little pop-up screen here, and then you're going to click on Photo. Now what you're going to see is it's going to say Photos and Videos. So it's a little tricky. It's not obvious, but that's how you get over to the section where you can upload videos. Now something else I want to show you real quick is how to comply with Google's guidelines. So I'm going to click over on this little link here. Now what I want to show you when it comes to video requirements is right here, Video Guidelines. So the video can only be up to 30 seconds long and the file size can only be up to 75 megabytes. That's very small for a video, okay? So keep that in mind before you start uploading videos, and if they're getting rejected, go back and make sure, check the file size and check the length of the video. That's very important. So back to this screen. Basically, you're gonna click on Select Photos or Videos, and then you're just gonna go onto your computer, find the video that you wanna upload, click it, and then upload it the same way you would a photo. Real quick, if you like what you've seen so far, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more stuff where this came from, and I got a lot more videos coming out in the future. So subscribe and ask any questions in the comments below. I will get back to you. Now back to the video. Okay, so now you see that we are on the home screen of my phone. Now what I'm gonna do is click on the Google app, and notice I am logged in. It shows my little face here. That means I'm logged in to the Gmail account I originally set up Google My Business account with. Okay, now I'm going to search for my business just like we did on the desktop. And once again, you're going to see all the different things that I'm able to edit on the search screen here. Notice down here next to my business name is the main photo, and it says 250 plus. So I'm going to click on that. Now when I scroll down, it's going to show all my videos and photos. And I'm just going to click on this button right here that says Add a Photo. Once again, I'm going to select Photos or Videos, and I want to also mention that it needs to be up to 30 seconds long, and it has to be less than 75 megabytes. So make sure when you select the video from your phone that it meets those requirements. Now real quick, back to my account here. I just want to show you this video I did here was 22 seconds long, and it was just a test video that I uploaded to make sure that it would actually show up. Now Google actually rejected it the first time I uploaded it, and so I thought that there was something wrong and I was doing something wrong. But I came back 3 days later and the video did appear in my account. So if the video doesn't show up right away, come back and check in a few days before you decide if Google completely rejected it or not. And that's it. That's how you upload a video on your desktop or on your phone. I also want to make you a free offer here. I have this Google My Business cheat sheet. So if you want to actually rank your business as high as possible on Google, then I recommend you download this free cheat sheet. There is a link down in the description below. And what it is separate videos for each one of the topics that we use for when we are ranking our clients on Google My Business or on the Google Business Profile. This stuff is free. This stuff is gold. Go down in the description and download it immediately. Once again, I'm Joe Burnich with BigWestAcademy.com, and I will see you in the next video.